Can a few modifications transform an already legendary sports car into something extraordinary? Today, we're putting the Toyota Supra stock and modified versions head-to-head to find out which one truly delivers the better experience. From looks and speed to practicality and value, let's settle the debate. The factory Toyota Supra is engineered to balance performance, comfort, and reliability. Its aerodynamic body, turbocharged engine, responsive handling, and refined interior make it an outstanding sports coupe straight from the showroom. For most drivers, the stock setup provides excellent acceleration, predictable handling, and everyday usability without sacrificing reliability. A modified Supra takes personalization to another level. Owners often install aggressive body kits lowered, suspension lightweight forged wheels performance, exhaust systems, larger turbochargers, ECU tuning carbon fiber components. These upgrades can significantly improve appearance and performance, but may also increase maintenance costs and reduce ride comfort. Stock, smooth. Power delivery, excellent factory calibration, predictable. Traction manufacturer tested. Reliability, modified increased horsepower and torque faster. Acceleration sharper throttle response, more aggressive exhaust note. However, additional power may require upgraded brakes, tires, cooling systems, and drivetrain components for balanced performance. The stock Supra offers sleek curves and timeless proportions that appeal to enthusiasts seeking a clean factory look. Modified versions often feature front splitters, rear wing side skirts, custom paint, or wraps, larger wheels, wider fenders. While these upgrades create a more dramatic appearance, personal taste plays a major role in determining which style is preferable. Stock interiors prioritize comfort, noise isolation, and ease of use. Modified cars may include racing seats, aftermarket steering wheels roll, bars, boost gauges, custom lighting. These additions can enhance the driving experience, but may compromise everyday comfort depending on the build. Factory vehicles generally require less maintenance and are easier to insure and resell. Heavily modified vehicles may require specialized tuning, increased maintenance expenses, affect warranty coverage, need premium components, and frequent inspections. Choosing quality parts and professional installation is essential for long-term reliability. If you want dependable performance, everyday comfort, and peace of mind, the stock Toyota Supra remains an outstanding choice. If your goal is maximum personalization, stronger performance, and a unique presence on the road, and you're prepared for the added costs and maintenance, a thoughtfully modified Supra can be incredibly rewarding. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities and how you plan to enjoy the car. Would you keep your Supra factory fresh or build your dream machine? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive comparisons.